The rail wheel factory came into existence as the wheel and axle plant at Yelahanka, a suburb of the garden city of Bengaluru, to indigenously produce wheels and axles of the Indian Railways. The full-fledged plant was inaugurated on the 15th September 1984. The plant has the capability to produce cast wheels, forged axles, and wheel sets, starting with an annual plant capacity of 56,700 cast wheels and 23,000 forged axles. RWF has grown to present capacity of 1,90,000 wheels, 70,000 axles, and 70,000 wheel sets. RWF's annual production levels have been in excess of the target set by the Railway Board every year since its inception. RWF has manufactured more than 42 lakh wheels, 21 lakh axles, and 14 lakh wheel sets.
This is one of the finest example of Atmanirbhar Bharat, because earlier most of the wheels and axles were imported. So we are basically catering to the needs of requirement of the Indian Railways. Now altogether till date we have produced around 42 lakh wheels and 21 lakh axles, but none of the axles and wheels has failed online. So that speaks out of the quality also.
RWF manufactures cast steel wheels from molten metal using pressure pouring technology with diameters ranging from 725 mm to 1100 mm. The manufacturing is done on a numerically controlled automatic assembly line with minimum human intervention. The wheels are subjected to extensive and stringent quality control at all stages. RWF produces 17 types of wheels, including that for box and wagon, broad gauge coaching, meter gauge coaching, EMU, container wagon, and locomotives. RWF's strength is the ability to recycle its own products after their useful life along with rails and other heavy steel scrap from the railway and use them as raw materials to manufacture new wheels. As many as 40 types of axles with diameter ranging from 105 to 285 mm and length ranging from 1600 to 2600 mm for various railway rolling stock are manufactured by radial forging process in accordance with Indian Railway standards. The axles are forged from the precast blooms of desired specification and length and machined to accuracy with both internal and external flaw detection systems. Blooms are checked for chemical composition and micro-macro properties before they are taken up for forging. RWF manufactures 9 types of broad gauge wheel sets for freight and passenger applications. Mounting of wheels on axles to produce wheel sets is done on a highly automated wheels assembly complex. A quality assurance certificate accompanies each dispatch. RWF has won many awards for quality, sustainability, environment, and innovation. RWF is the only integrated plant in the world undertaking the manufacturing of cast wheels, forged axles, and assembly of wheel sets, all under one roof. For railroads still using forged wheel, RWF offers turnkey solution for design and supply of equivalent cast steel wheel as a cost reduction and superior performance alternative. Wheels of Progress of the Indian Railways, RWF goes on a tireless journey in its quest to become a renowned global organization in manufacturing world-class wheels, axles, and wheel sets to the domestic and international markets.